New information tonight about a ruling downstate regarding police body cameras and what it could mean for you. A judge now says the public should be allowed to see body camera footage. The state Supreme Court's appellate division ruled in favor of New York City and several media companies, saying the city can release body camera footage without a court order. The police union argued the footage should be considered part of an officer's personnel record and should not be made public through the Freedom of Information Act because that would violate an officer's civil rights.
But the court found that there are much broader reasons to release this footage in the right circumstances. I'm not surprised at the ruling, and in fact, I suspect this is going to open the door for greater access to these police body cams.
The court said the purpose of the body camera footage is to show transparency, accountability, and to build public trust.
What happens now is Buffalo has to decide if they're going to make them available to the public, if there is a request for it. This case says you have to, so there won't be any way to resist, but perhaps they could say that there's something on here that they don't want to reveal because it may in some way infect their investigation.
Cambria agrees with the court that releasing the footage is good for transparency, but he thinks more still needs to be figured out. He says there needs to be a way to make sure the video isn't edited.
You see software that's sold that you can buy on your phone where, you know, your teeth get white and your face is thin and all the rest of it. Any of those things can happen, and that has to be guarded against.
We contacted the Buffalo Police Department and the Niagara County Sheriff's Office today to get their reactions to this ruling. Both told us they'd need to review it before commenting.